Hello, hello, little friends. Welcome to our magical forest adventure. I'm your friendly guide. Today, I want you to meet some of my very best pals. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have the tallest creature in the forest, the gentle giant, Giraffe.
Hi there, little friends. I'm Giraffe, and I love munching on the leaves from the treetops.
Next, we have someone who's as strong as they are magnificent, Elephant.
Hello, everyone. I'm Elephant, and I can carry heavy logs with my strong trunk.
Now, who's this little bundle of energy? It's our speedy friend, Rabbit.
Hi, everyone. I'm Rabbit, and I love hopping and nibbling on delicious carrots.
Last but not least, we have the wise one of the forest, Owl.
Hoot, hoot, welcome, little ones. I'm Owl, and I keep watch over the forest at night with my keen eyesight.
Aren't they amazing, kids? Each of my friends has something special about them, and together, we make our forest home a wonderful place to be. Well, that's all for today's adventure, but there's plenty more fun to come in our magical forest. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and making new friends. Bye-bye, everyone.